Welcome to the top best. The best Samsung 45W charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone with a modern smartphone or tablet. With the ability to rapidly charge your devices, this charger can save you valuable time and keep you connected throughout the day. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or simply someone who relies on their devices, the Samsung 45W charger is designed to meet your fast charging needs. Number 5. Samsung 45W Super Fast USB-C Charger. This 45W charger from Samsung utilizes power delivery technology for the most efficient charging. It can charge your device from 0% to 50% in just 20 minutes, much faster than standard chargers. The charger comes with an extra-long 10-foot Type-C to C cable. This provides a user-friendly reversible design and allows for fast charging and data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. This charger is compatible with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy phones, including the S25, S24, and S23 series. It also works with Google Pixel phones and Chromebooks. The charger has multiple built-in safeguards to protect your devices. These include protection against short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and overcharging. You'll receive two 45W USB-C fast charger blocks and two 10 feet extra-long charging cords. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This charger offers super fast charging, getting your phone to 50% in just 20 minutes. It also comes with an extra-long 10-foot cable, perfect for charging from a distance. If you are always on the go and need a reliable, fast charger with a long cable, you should consider this one. What people say. This 45W charger works perfectly with my Galaxy S23 Ultra. Charges incredibly fast, just like the original. The 10-foot cable is a huge plus for flexibility around the room. Solid build quality. Super fast charging. Both chargers are fantastic and charge extremely fast. And the length of the cords feel like you can be on the other side of the room. AMD still use your charging phone. Number 4. Samsung 45W Super Fast Charger with USB-C cable. Introducing the 45W Super Fast Charger, designed for your Samsung devices. It utilizes power delivery technology for the most efficient charge, getting your phone to 50% in just 20 minutes. This kit includes a 100W USB-C to USB-C cable. You can use it to sync and transfer files at high speeds. It's perfect for all your devices. This charger is compatible with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy phones, including the S25 and S24 series. It also supports older models, ensuring it meets all your charging needs. Built with high-quality materials, this charger ensures safety and reliability. Its compact design makes it ideal for travel, providing quick and convenient charging wherever you go. You'll receive two 45W USB-C charging blocks and two 6.6-foot USB-C cables. If you have any questions, we're here to help 24/7. What we like. With its super fast charging 2.0, this charger gets your phone powered up quickly. The detachable USB-C cable offers versatility. If you need a charger that's both fast and reliable, and you appreciate a quality build, you should consider this one. What people say. The chargers deliver fast and reliable power, quickly bringing my S25 Ultra from low battery to full without overheating. The 6.6-foot cables are a perfect length, long enough for convenient use while charging, but not too bulky. And the fast charging works really well for my phone. Number 3. Anker 45W USB-C Charger. This 45W charger is designed for Samsung devices. It supports super fast charging 2.0, which can fully charge your device in about an hour. Remember to use a 5A charging cable, which is not included. The charger has 10 safety features, including short circuit and high voltage protection. It ensures a safe charging experience for your devices, giving you peace of mind. This charger is 30% smaller than a standard 45W charger. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, perfect for travel and everyday use. It uses gallium nitride (GaN) technology for improved efficiency and heat dissipation. This allows it to be smaller and safer without sacrificing power. You'll receive the Anker 313 charger, ACE, 45W, a welcome guide, an 18-month warranty, and customer service. Please note that the charging cable is not included in the package. What we like. This charger is designed for speed, especially for Samsung devices. It's also compact and uses GaN technology for efficiency. If you value a small, powerful charger that charges fast, you should consider this one. What people say. It supports super fast charging 2.0. Its compact, foldable design makes it ideal for travel without adding bulk. This charger performs just as good as the 45W Samsung OEM charger but at a third of the cost. Number 2. Fast charging iPhone charger with long cable. Introducing a fast charger designed for your iPhone. This charger provides rapid charging, getting your phone powered up quickly and efficiently. With 30W of power, this charger can charge your iPhone up to 65% in just 30 minutes, which is faster than the original 20W charger. It's a significant upgrade for your charging needs. The included 10-foot cable gives you the freedom to use your phone while it charges. It's perfect for use in bed, on the couch, or anywhere around the house. This charger is compatible with all iPhone series, from the latest iPhone 14 to older models, and also supports iPads and AirPods. It's a versatile charging solution. Built-in multi-protection ensures safe charging, preventing overvoltage and overheating. The smart chip automatically adjusts the current for optimal charging. You'll receive a 3-pack of fast chargers, each with a 10-foot USB-C to Lightning cable and a USB-C charging block. If you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. This charger is MFi certified, ensuring compatibility and safety for your iPhone. It comes with an extra long cable for convenience. If you are an iPhone user and need a reliable charger with a long cable, you should consider this one. What people say. All work as described. These are very fast chargers. They work great, charge quickly, and the 10 for cord is great as well. Number 1. Phone 17/16 Pro Max 45W Fast Charger Kit. Introducing the 45W Fast Charger Kit, designed specifically for your phone 17 and 16 Pro Max. This charger provides super fast charging, getting your device up to 65% in just 30 minutes. It's even faster than the original 20W charger. This charger is compatible with a wide range of devices. It works perfectly with the latest phone 17 and 16 models, as well as various iPad and Samsung devices. Please note that it is not suitable for phone 14, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max, phone XXR, XS, etc. The kit includes a 100W detachable USB-C to USB-C cable. This cable supports fast charging with a maximum 5A current. The 6.6-foot length provides convenience for charging your device in various locations. The charger has a built-in multi-protection system. This system prevents overvoltage, overcharge, and overheat issues. The smart chip automatically matches the required current for safe and steady charging. You'll receive 2 fast charging blocks and 2 6.6-feet charging cables. If you have any questions, please contact us. We promise to solve your problems within 24 hours. What we like. This charger offers fast charging for your phone. It includes a long USB-C cable for convenience. If you need a charger that charges fast and has a long cable, you should consider this one. What people say. Really nice quality. Would definitely recommend. Charges fast and the cord is very long and durable for many lengths. White color is very nice and easy to travel with. Connects to a lot of my devices. These work great with my Samsung Ultra. Quality product. Super fast recharge, exactly what my granddaughter wanted. The longer cord was a plus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.